Namaste everyone. In the last video for the wardrobe planning and design video, we showed you a design with the exact measurements, and the same thing is applied here. So this is one wardrobe in the master bedroom. Left hand side you will see one 17-inch compartment, and the rest this is for the keeping the clothes. And here we are planning to put a file cabinet and as well as two of the drawers, and then after that here one small sit out so that people can work here, and the switchboards were changed from this place to this place, and a hole will be made to get the wires to get the electricity. And all round there will be a plank, okay. And if you see all round, so this with plywood only it was made, and the same structure was made. And here hangers will come, and then after that rest of the compartments, and the last section it's again to keep the clothes. And so if you look at the overall picture, the same in between window will come, and the same replica is kept here except the hangers. And if you look at the top portion, it's a loft, okay. So one color will be maintained for that. Now let me explain the color aspects here. So our plan is to keep the same color until the last portion, and whatever in between for this one and this one, it will be a similar color, and the top also it will be same color. This portion also will have a different color, whatever the color what on the left hand side which you saw, the same thing will be applied here. So in the last wardrobe what you saw is a with the doors, and whatever you are seeing right now is with the sliding. So sliding will have more cost when compared to the doors. You need to remember that. And this one, as I shown in the picture in the design, so this is what we are planning to do. So this kind of a compartment will come this side also, but you are not seeing because the door is that side. I'll shift that in a moment. And here it is kept for the keeping the hangers, okay. And two of the drawers will come here also, and that side also a drawer will come. And here we are planning to install a mirror here in this corner, and the sliding doors also is fixed. And we went with Havells company, that sliding mechanism whatever is needed. And the loft also, if you see, this was made based on our requirement. Let me slide the doors. There will be a soft closure, you might have observed, so that will come from the halfway parts, okay. So if you look at here, so the same kind of a compartment with all the shelves is made, and this side for the hangers and as well as two of the compartments. And if you look at the sliding, this is a sliding channel which is brought, and here all the arrangements which is needed for the sliding door is installed. And if you look at, you may not be able to observe it clearly, but if you look at this portion, so those are the instruments which are brought from Havells. So you can see that here, yeah, that one. So that's the implementation of this. I mean, we didn't even waste any of the wood as per our plan, and it was good. For the sliding doors and all design, what we are planning to do is we are planning to do a dark background this side, and also for this door this side, and then in between contrast color, which is white, which we are painting, and two of the stripes we are giving. So it's a simple design what we are planning to make. And also in the dark color will come on the bottom, and as well as for this beading, and the remaining white color only will come on the top loft portion. That's about it. So maybe I'll share a small video once this all get finished. But and one more thing which you need to remember is you need to vacate all your belongings from that room, so that carpenter can make full 7 feet structure within that room itself. So what carpenters will do is they'll prepare the 7 feet outer structure within that room, and they lift it all at once. So that's why they need more space. And if you have cots and other belongings, all that need to be shifted to a different room so that they can work. Overall, this is the process what we have followed for our wardrobes. Hope you like this video and found it informative. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you with a different video again. Thank you. Namaste.